Hi. This course, Parts of Speech Made Simple, by Dr. Victor G. Teves, is a series of videos discussing the different parts of speech. In this video, we will discuss the continuation of the rules in forming the plural of nouns, particularly foreign nouns. Foreign nouns used in English sometimes retain their plurals. But many have their English plurals too. Rule number 14. Nouns ending in a are spelled with ae to form the foreign plural. In some nouns adding s is accepted as English plural. For example, alumna, alumni, nebula, nebulae, also nebulas, larva, larva, also larvas, formula, formulae, also formulas, placenta, placenta, also placentas.
Rule number 15. Nouns ending in um or on are spelled with a in the plural forms. For example, bacterium, bacteria, datum, data, erratum, errata, podium, podia, curriculum, curricula, also curriculums in English, gymnasium, gymnasia, also gymnasiums, criterion, criteria, phenomenon, phenomena. Rule number 16. Nouns ending in us are spelled with I in the plural form. For example, alumnus, alumni, bacillus, bacilli, cumulus, cumuli, magus, magi, radius, radii, genius, genii, also geniuses in English.
Rule number 17. Nouns ending in is are spelled with es in the plural forms. For example, analysis, analyses, antithesis, antitheses, axis, axes, basis, bases, crisis, crises, ellipsis, ellipses, thesis, theses, oasis, oases, synopsis, synopses, parenthesis, parentheses.
Rule number 18. Nouns ending in x form their plural by changing x to c before adding es. Adding es after the x to form the English plural is also correct. For example, appendix, appendices, also appendixes, matrix, matrices, also matrices, index, indices, also indexes.
Rule number 19. For foreign nouns of French origin, the plural is formed by adding x to the word. Adding s to form the English plural is also correct. For example, tableau, tableaux, also tableaux, bow, bow, also bows, bateau, bateau.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to be notified of new lessons. Click the subscribe button now. Want to help me create more free courses? How about buying me a cup of coffee on Ko-Fi? Scan the QR code to visit my Ko-Fi page.